You need to hear this if your Tesla key fob just stopped working. It might be a simple fix. Let's figure it out together. First things first, check the battery. Most Tesla key fob issues are just a dead coin battery. Pop off the back cover, swap in a new CR2032 battery, and see if that does the trick. Still not working? Try standing closer to your car or move away from other electronics. Interference can mess things up. Next, check if your car still recognizes the fob in the settings menu. If not, you might need to repair the key fob. Just hop in, tap the key fob to the center console, and follow the prompts on your screen. If you've tried all that and nothing works, it could be a more serious issue, like a faulty fob or car sensor. Reach out to Tesla support or set up a service appointment right from your app. Remember, you can always use the Tesla app on your phone as a backup key. So next time your key fob gives you trouble, don't panic. Try these steps first, and you'll likely be good to go.